Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change drawing template size in a FreeCAD. So here I have a part friction plate and I will create this drawing. To create the drawing, first you have to activate the text draw workbench and then click here and insert the sheet, and then I will go to my model and I will select it, and here I will click on insert view. So here view is inserted, but I see that this A4 size landscape is not sufficient for my view as my scale is 1. So I will change my drawing template. So I will go here on a template, and here on the template you will see template. I will click on it and I will click on these three dots. So here I will get the default template size. So I will go for the A3 landscape EN M52. I will select it and I will say OK. So you can see that my drawing template size has been changed. So this is how you can change the template size from here. In a template sections. So this is very small tutorial for the beginner user who struggle with to change the template size. And if I wanted to again change to the A4 or A2, then I can easily change it. So I can change it to the A4 ISO 732 and I will say open. So you can see that my again template size has been changed. Then I can again switch to the some other format. Here are the architectural related templates are there, and I again switch to the A3 landscape M52. Okay, so this is how you can change the template size as per your part requirement or your assembly. So this is very small tutorial how to change the template size in a FreeCAD, and if you like this tutorial then please like, subscribe and share my video. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.